Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. Frontline indices opened with a significant upward gap to register another fresh lifetime high yesterday. Nifty ended the day up 0.81% in the green, while Bank Nifty gained 1.25%. Once again outperforming Nifty. Mid-cap Nifty and small-cap Nifty indices witnessed underperformance as compared to Nifty, gaining 0.45 and 0.13% respectively. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index is still consolidating around 103.4 levels, along with the 10-year and the US 30-year bond yields currently in a downtrend. So these factors have helped the equity markets the world over. Along with this, if you see, the crude oil prices are also currently quoting below $80 per barrel. So all these factors have positively impacted the Indian equity markets. Coming to the global markets, the US markets, the overall trend continues to remain positive. The S&P 500 can consolidate in the range of 4,600 levels before continuing its upward trajectory towards the levels of 4,710, 4,740 on the upside. Coming to the trade highlights in yesterday's session, markets witnessed a choppy trading session yesterday. Despite this, if we see, Nifty continued its positive momentum going into the close to hit a fresh all-time high. However, the advanced decline ratio is currently at 90%. This parameter usually tops out at 80. This could be a sign of caution on the long side and not necessarily a shorting signal. Even the RSI indicator is above 83-84 levels, indicating overbought nature of the index, which implies that the index could consolidate in the coming few sessions. Going forward till 20,700, 20,740 holds, that is, it will act as a support level. Until this level holds, we could see the index extend its rally towards 20,930, 20,960 on the upside, and about 20,960 it can test the 161.8% Fibonacci extension towards the levels of 21,077 levels. This is derived from the Fibonacci sequence applied to the move seen from 15 September to 26th October. On the downside, for the day below 20,700, index can retest the support levels placed at 20,600, 20,630 zone. Coming to the OI data, significant call writing build-up is witnessed in 20,900 and 21,000 strikes, while on the put front, 20,800 and 20,700 witnessed considerable open interest addition. So the overall range for the day could be 20,740 on the downside and 20,960 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, significant gains in Bank Nifty coupled with highest historical volatility in over 8 months suggest a notable surge in the market activity and trading interest. The sharp up move and positive directional indicators reaching its highest levels in nearly a decade indicate strong bullish momentum in the banking sector. The immediate support for Bank Nifty is likely the zone of 46,700, 46,760, while the current upside resistance is seen closer to levels of 47,450, 47,530 levels. In case 46,700 breaks, the index can retest its next support placed at the levels of 46,420, 46,480 levels. For today's expiry, significant open interest built up is witnessed in 47,000 and 46,800 puts, and on the call side it is seen in 47,000 and 48,000 calls, implying a near-term broad range of 46,700 and 47,530 for the banking index. Coming to sectors in focus, metal was the best performing sector in trade yesterday, ending the session 3.07% higher. Buying momentum was seen in the likes of JSW Steel, JSL, Wellcorp and SAIL. Bullish setup was also witnessed in banking stocks such as ICICI Bank, Axis, Bandhan Bank, IDFC First, PNB and HDFC. From the broader markets, bullish setup was observed in Power Grid, NTPC, BPCL, Mahindra & Mahindra, Titan, Grasim, Ambuja Cements, ABB, Coromandel, Trent, Apollo Tyre, CESC, MCX, JK Paper, TV18, Wellcorp and Reddington. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash segment, FI is bought to the tune of 5,200 crores while DI is sold to the tune of 1,400 crores. FI long short ratio for index future has improved to the levels of 49% as they squared off nearly 21,640 index future short positions. While on the stocks futures front, FIs have bought to the tune of 9,000 contracts, while on the options front, FIs have squared off 1,65,000 call contracts as well as 64,400 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.